Hi, the three-way push-up. If you're tired of doing regular push-ups, this is the one to give it a shot. It combines narrow, regular, and wide hand positions into a single set to challenge your chest, tricep, and shoulders like never before. Let's get to it. We're gonna go over the hand position. First one is the narrow, palms on the inside of your shoulders. There's a palm distance between them. Second one is the regular one, the palms are in line with your shoulders. And the third one is the wide one, the palms on the outside of your shoulders, the widest one. Now let's put your palms on the floor, stack your shoulders directly over your palms, keep your body aligned, squeeze your butt, keep your head neutral, looking down. Slowly lower yourself to 90 degrees or below and push yourself up until you fully lock your elbows out. That's the correct form. Now you're gonna switch your hand positions to regular push-up, do the same thing, and open up your palms into a wide push-up, like so, and keep going. Keep your abs engaged. Everything's tight. There's no really way to scale it down because it's an advanced movement. If you have problem with push-ups, work on a regular push-up and then master this one. Good luck.